Catastrophe. A very bad event that causes a lot of damage. The earthquake was a big catastrophe. The flood caused a catastrophe in the village. Earn. To get money or a reward by working or doing something. I earn money by working at a shop. He earns a good salary every month. Examine. To look at something carefully to learn more about it. Please examine the paper before signing it. I will examine your homework later. Bother. To annoy, trouble, or make someone feel upset. She keeps bothering her brother. He bothered me with silly questions. Vivid. It is often used for colors, memories, or imagination. The painting has vivid colors. The sunset looked so vivid and beautiful. Challenge. Something that is not easy, but you try to do it. Climbing the mountain was a big challenge. Solving the puzzle was a real challenge. Hinder. To slow down or block something. The speed breaker hinders fast driving. Traffic jams often hinder travel. Radiant. Shining brightly or looking very happy. His face was radiant with joy. She had a radiant smile on her face. magnificent. Very beautiful, great or impressive. The palace is magnificent and huge. The sunset looks magnificent. Approach. To come near to someone or something. The cat approached the boy slowly. The train is approaching the platform.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!